Omochumbe ensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba Elijah Moindi baganeriwe Abasae gotema kweagacha ase chinchira chonsi ejugo ikirania amagani abo ase nchira ya bene ensemo na gwetanga na siasa enke eyi abande yabairege gukora ase kabono ase omusingi wo korenta ogochaya umonyekito na roboti urokubwatia
Abasae korwa chinsemo ao chiagusimba igete ase omosangerekano oraetwe ase egangayo koena na obasemia ningo baereserete emechando babeire bagwetera mono korwa ase abarayi baria bachorire korwa chinsemo ao nigo barenge koena na obomanyi igoro buna ninki barakore erio bekonye kogenderera Omochumbe ensemo y'ebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba Elijah Moindi naikeranete aroro ase okorwa obosemi bwae.
You have also to set a group of youths, 10 and above, so that you come to the constituents office, make an application, and then we will advise you. We will bring professionals from Ministry of Labor and Social Services, professionals from the Ministry of Devolution to instruct you on how to assess these funds and how to utilize it. The training will be free. The training is free. And this one will enable the youth to stop queuing on the roads, looking for handouts. And that is the problem I'm having in my constituency. I'm trying to get the youth from the roads so that they can know how to assist themselves. Women, from the lowest age up to the highest age, you have also the Women Enterprise Fund. Similarly, form the associations, form groups, come to my office, register yourselves, fill the appropriate application forms, and we can process these funds for you once you have identified a project or a business which you want to undertake. The government is working out a modality on how to set funds for the elderly people 35 and above. Soon and very soon, they will be informed on how they will go about to get funds, or they can get appropriate advice from my office on how they can also form groups to assist them.
Bono yabatigareire Abasae korora buna ninki kere kiengencho gokora erio kweagacha. Nkoripoteria Mwanyagetinge TV ninche Bridget Kerubo.